Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through the HCSS software tutorials for 2025 and show you how to use it effectively in constructions management. Managing constructions project involves a wide range of tasks from job scheduling and budgeting to equipment tracking and site safety. And that's where HCSS, Heavy Construction Systems Specialist, comes in. HCSS is a comprehensive construction management suite designed specifically for the heavy civil and infrastructure sector. HCSS offers powerful tools for time tracking, project planning, equipment maintenance, safety reporting, and digital plan management. It consolidates all these features in one platform, helping teams stay organized, reduce downtime, and keep the projects on schedule and budget, all while bringing the field office communications to real-time data sync and mobile access. So, the step one is log into HCSS. Access via desktop or mobile, then enter your username and password, then choose a module like heavy job or safety, whatever you like. Second step is track the field data. Open the heavy job module, create a daily report, input your job code, equipment uses, and materials. Then you have to upload photos and comments, and then sync to Office. Schedule, crew, and equipment. You mean dispatcher. Open dispatcher, drag and drop to assign crews and machines, resolve conflicts or double booking, then save and notify the teams. Step 4 is monitor equipment or telematics. Launch telematics that can track real-time GPS and maintenance alert, view fuel uses and idle times. Step 5, ensure job site safety or safety module. Record safety meetings, toolbox talk, and log incidents, exceptions, near misses. Then you can complete and submit daily checklist. Step 6 is annotate digital plan. You can open the plan module, then mark up the blueprints, and with note and measurement, share your update instantly with the team. Then go to report sections. You can apply filter and KPIs. Then you can export cost and productivity and safety reports. Then you can also customize dashboard for departments. Step 8, get help and training. You can access building tutorials and webinar. You can request one-on-one session, and you can also contact 24/7 tech support for your urgent help. Start your HCSS journey with the foundational modules like heavy job and safety. These offer immediate value. As your team gets comfortable, introduce advanced tools like dispatcher and telemetrics. So regularly assess workflow, then use analytics to identify issues, adapt the system as you need, and always gather team feedback to continuously improve your uses. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, like, subscribe for more tutorials on tool that powers the construction industry, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.